Let's make gluten-free almond crisp today. Let's get all the ingredients ready. First, let's separate the egg white. Save the egg yolk for egg fried rice. Add in sugar. Beat it up until well combined. Now add in almond powder. Mix well. Now add in melted coconut oil. Mix well. Finally, add in almond sliced. Mix with a spoon. I'm using a teaspoon, which I'm going to use it later. Make sure it is well combined. Line parchment paper on a baking sheet. Use a teaspoon to measure each almond slice mixture. You should be able to make 16 of them. Use the back of the spoon to flatten the almond mixture. Flatten it as thin as possible. Bake it in a preheated 300 Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. It's done! Smells so good. Let it cool for 10 minutes before removing it from the baking sheet. 10 minutes later. Ready to remove the almond crisp. Perfectly baked. I have to try it. So crispy and delicious. I like it. Try it. You will get addicted to it. It's really good. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.